It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to find the slope of a line that passes through the points 4, 7, and 9, 7. As a reminder, a lot of times we talk about slope as a ratio of rise divided by run. That means we're looking at the change in y values divided by the change in x values. So let's take a look at these 2 points. I'm noticing that my x values are 4 and 9, and my y values are 7. They're exactly the same. Let's go ahead and find the difference of these points, but then let's talk more about what we could surmise just based on these 2 coordinates. So I'm going to start out m equals my fraction bar, and I made a video talking about how I like to find the slope with the least amount of mistakes possible, and I'm going to use that here. If you want to see more about that, go ahead and see that video. So I'm going to take any coordinate. I'm picking my first coordinate here, and in the numerator are my y values. Directly under my y value has to sit my x value. So 4 should sit directly underneath 7. Slope is about finding the difference between 2 points. So I have subtraction signs there. And then I'm going to take my next y value, which is 7 here. And directly underneath that sits my x value. And now it's just time to simplify. 7 minus 7 is 0. 4 minus 9 is -5. And 0 divided by -5 is 0. So my slope is 0. Now, you might have figured that out before when you saw our 2 points. So let's have a look at what this slope of 0 means. So if we were to plot our 2 points, so I'm going to plot 4, 7. You can see that the yellow point right there. And now I'm going to plot 9, 7 right there. You can see they're both on the same line. So we need to connect these points using a ruler. And when I do that, you can see that my graph is a horizontal line. So hopefully you remember from your math classes that any line with a slope of 0 graphs horizontally because there is 0 rise. If we look back here, my rise is 0 and my run is -5. So we're running, but we're not rising at all. And that's why we have a horizontal line. So anytime you have the graph of a horizontal line, your equation for this line is y equals whatever the y coordinate is. And in this case, it's 7. The shortcut way to do this and to know what the graph looks like is to notice that you have 2 y values that are exactly the same. Whenever that happens, you have a slope of 0, and it creates a horizontal line at that y value. Thanks for joining me. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Till next time, remember, you've got this.